Welcome to Technofission. In our today's session, we are learning to install Amazon EC2 instance using Windows Server R2. So first we are opening Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, we are typing Amazon Web Services and waiting for results. So after redirecting the results, we are choosing Amazon Web Services, Cloud Computing Services. Here our Amazon Web Services. Then we are signing into our console. We are put our email address and password is here because our previous part we are creating our account. So in our console we are seeing Amazon boxes here, then our services column, then resources groups, then our user account information is here where we see my account information and sign out from here. Then our region is here, so our region is Asia Pacific region. So if you are first time user, you are choosing Asia Pacific Mumbai region. So in our services, we have compute, developer tools, IoT, storage, management tools, database, security identity and compliance, application services, network and content delivery, migration, analytics, desktop and app streaming, and artificial intelligence. We can also build a solution for launch a virtual machine using EC2, build a website using Elastic Beanstalk, host a static website using S3 CloudFront, create a IoT device using AWS IoT, register a domain using root R3. We are also to learn here like learning website development and DevOps, how to backup and recovery, how to create database like this. So in our today's session we are going to install EC2 instance. So we are clicking on EC2 and our EC2 dashboard is here. So in our EC2 dashboard, by default we have 0 running instance, 2 elastic IPs by default, 1 security group. So we are seeing we are in Asia Pacific region. By default we have 2 zones, 1A, 1B. After that we are choosing launch instance. After launching, first step is choose a Amazon machine image. So this is our operating system. So here we are seeing Amazon Linux AMI, SUSE Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu and Microsoft Server. So in today's part we are installing Windows Server 2012 R2. So we are selecting this. All the operating system will be free tier. After that we are choosing instance. So our instance is t2.micro. This is our processor. After choosing this, we are going to configure instance details. Our next step. There are we are seeing number of details is 1. Network is default. Subnet is no preferences, and auto assign IP is enable. After that, we are going to add storage. By default, we are seeing we have 30 GB storage. Volume type is SSD. Then we are going to add tags. So our tag name is win sample. After that, we are going to configure security group. We are creating a new security group, and by default our name is launch wizard 1 and the description is also here. Our protocol is TCP, port range is 3389, source is custom. Then we are reviewing and launch. So first we are seeing AMI details. Our OS Windows Server R2 is here. Then our instance type is t.micro. Then our security group launch wizard 1. protocol TCP, and our briefing of instance details. Then our storage is 30 GB SSD. Our tag is WinSample. Then we are complete our reviewing and launch. Before launching, we are choosing a new key pair. So our key pair name is same as key name. After that, we are downloading the key pair and launching the instance. So our instance state is now launching. So we are going to view instance. So we are seeing it is under process. So first we are giving the name WinSample. After that, we are seeing our instance type is t2.micro. All the details of instance will be here. Availability zone is South 1A. Our instance state is pending this time. Status check is initializing. We have no IPs here. When our instance state is completing and transform from pending to running, our IP will be here. So we are seeing our instance state is running and our IP will be here, and public DNS is also. So after seeing this, we are going to upper part. We have three buttons. First is launch instance, connect, and action. In action, we have options like start, stop, reboot, and terminate. So after seeing this, we are going in lower part. So we have description of our instances here in detailed form. Our all the details of instance will be here. Then we are waiting for status check. So status check is 2 by 2 checks. So we are connecting our system. So we are clicking on connect. Then we are seeing one button is there, download remote desktop file. So remote desktop file is necessary to launch the instance. After that, we are seeing they giving our username is administrator and our password is not here. So we are clicking on get password and seeing our key name is winsample.pm. So we are choosing key pair path and giving our key name winsample. Then our key name is here. We are opening this. So our key is in the form of encryption. So we are decrypt this. After decrypting this, we are copying this password and paste in notepad. So we are copying this and paste in notepad. So after pasting this, we are going to opening the RDP file for launching the system. So we are clicking on RDP file. So here we click on continue negotiation credentials, then connecting to RDP. Then our terminal will be here. Here we giving the password. We are copying in. So we are copying the password here by seeing the notepad. Then we are checking one time our password. So our profile will be here and our system will be ready. So our system will be started successfully. Then we are seeing our system details will be here: host name, instance ID, public IP address, private IP address, availability zone, instance zone, and architecture. After that, we are giving 30 GB storage, so we are checking for this. So we are seeing local disk is 29.6 GB, so our storage will be here 30 GB. So our EC2 instance will be successfully created here using Windows Server R2. After that, we are going to signing out to our account. So your EC2 instance will be successfully created. Thank you for watching this video.